What's going on, guys? So today we are going to pick up another crazy cart. It's a regular size crazy cart. I really wanted an XL, but there's really none in my area and I'm not dropping $1,000 on a brand new one. So we're gonna go with the standard size. The size that I have right now, the one that I found in my shed, is actually the smallest one they ever made, which is why it's so small. But this thing is super small. This is the one with the battery that goes in the back, so the seat sits up way farther. The other one's gonna be a little bigger, and it is fully upgraded, so it's gonna be a lot faster, which is gonna be absolutely amazing. So Devin's about to be here in the truck. I actually thought about trying to take the Lexus to go pick it up, but I just don't know about putting it in the trunk. So Devin's gonna be here in 3, 2, 1. And Devin is here in the beautiful truck with the bed so we can pick up the crazy cart. Yo, D, how you feeling?
Defending your lawyer for free.
What's good?
You ready?
We're about to go get a speed cart.
You gotta unlock the door, bro.
Welcome in.
You ready to ride it?
Don't be shy, come on, huh?
Yes, sir. You ready to ride the speed cart?
I'm very ready for that.
Just got back with the crazy cart. Devin is gonna take it all down by himself. Go on, show him how it's done, Devin.
You really actually?
No, I'm just playing. I'll help you out. Ugh. You think we can drive it in the gravel?
Probably.
It's probably fast enough, yeah. All right, guys, so this is a standard crazy cart. Upgraded wheels, upgraded batteries, 40-volt lithium batteries, upgraded motor, upgraded controller. This drift bar is on the other side, which I don't know how I feel about that, but we're gonna check it out, right, Devin? So let's see if this thing rips or not.
Action shot.
Action shot?
Hello.
A garbage pile. Couldn't afford a drift car, so I got a drift cart. Gotta get Haley's reaction to the new crazy cart. I forgot to tell her that I bought it, so we're about to see what she says. She's probably gonna be pissed, but it's all for the content. It's because we got so many likes and views on the other videos, so we had to get another one. They see me rolling.
1 out of 10. Oh wow.
1 out of 10.
Yeah, no, just a negative.
Negative? This thing is so much fun. I got it for 2,000 bucks. That's it.
Now we need to get on video of you riding it.
Always tell your girl it costs more. That way when you tell her the real price, she doesn't get mad.
Sounds like a good deal. Reckless. Austin, say hi to the vlog.
Hello. What up, bro?
What up, bro?
What do you think about the speedy cart?
I like it.
You want to ride it?
Yeah.
You want to, for real?
Yeah.
Hop on.
Okay, let's go to the street. All right, it's fast, bro, so just be careful.
God damn.
It is small. By the way, guys, Austin's like what, 6'2", 6'3"?
I'm like 6'1".
6'1".
What the fuck do I do here?
You pull it up to drift.
Oh.
You can just keep it up and it'll drift.
That shit hard to control.
I know.
I feel like I'm gonna eat shit.
I've already ate shit on my other one, dude.
Add it really hard. I don't want. Is it hard to tip over?
No, you won't probably tip over unless you go in the grass. You can spin all the way around. Oh, no. I said if you go in the grass. By the way, that arrow shows you, the arrow is what direction the wheel's going.
Oh, this is hard as fuck.
There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Spin all the way around, spin all the way around. Spin all the way around. What'd you do, bro? You gotta keep it up. You can't let it go when you're mid-drift. What do you think, review?
It's fun. It's hard, but it's fun.
1 out of 10.
8.
All right, guys, so we are gonna switch over to the GoPro version of the riding experience. Got the GoPro all charged up. Austin is absolutely killing it out there. We're gonna switch it over to the GoPro in 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, I got that GoPro mode, baby. Why is everyone parked in the driveway? Oh. Gotta go see my Lexus. Oh yeah, looking sexy. Bruh. I just dropped my fucking camera, but it still works. I hope the GoPro's getting this. Guys, I literally just hit this and knocked the camera off, so I gotta be very careful. Psych! How much do those shoes cost? Like, 300? Oh! All right, 360. Ah! Yes, sir! Back to the garage, boys. We gotta put the drift car up because it's a drift car, man. Devin, close the garage. Let me see if I can get in. We're gonna try a stunt. It's called, can we get in the garage before it closes? While drifting. All right, Haley's first ride on the crazy cart. I told her not to pull the brake. She thought that was the brake. No, that's the drift mode.
Ooh, did I just flat?
What?
It felt like flat.
I think she wants one, bro.
I think so too. Another investment.
Dude, she is gone. Guys, this thing is like, I don't know if you guys can tell in the video, but it's way faster than the one we had before. So it's like, it's crazy. Definitely some big crazy kart content coming soon. Thank you for all the love and support on the last video. It really means a lot. I like that you guys enjoyed the crazy kart content. So we're gonna film some more crazy kart stuff. Probably hit up a park, some trails, some drift tracks, just a bunch of different stuff. But here's Haley. Hey, pull that lever. Turn and pull that lever.
Ooh, that's fun. Why does it already crooked?
Gotta hit the gas, girl.
Understand it. Oh, I'm going backwards.
The arrow is the...
Arrow? Oh. So I can reverse?
Kinda, yeah.
Ow.
Watch out for that, yeah. You can't really reverse. Austin got scared. I saw him jump, dude. I saw you jump up. He was like, oh.
That's fun.
Yeah.
That's scary.
It's scary.
Is there a car coming?
No.
I hear it.
There's nobody coming.
Still nobody coming.
Now pull it.
Why doesn't it go full circle though?
You gotta keep turning the wheel.
Turn it which way? I don't understand this. That's the problem.
The way that gas is forward. So counter steer.
I'm still going right.
Now turn left.
Oh!
Yeah. Bruh, no shot. She doesn't crash. She get hurt. Drift. Drift. Now floor it. Oh! Ooh, sick.
Move.
You're definitely gonna take some.
Like 10
I know. By the way, guys, this is not our trash. This is from the other people who live there. We just moved the trash here, so we don't live like this. Nice! You got a full 360, Haley?
Not yet.
Full 360?
More than 820.
Guys, we may be buying another one tomorrow because it feels like Haley may have just stole mine. I'll go get a XL or another modified one, I don't know. These are pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. Well worth the money. If you have any in your area, Facebook Marketplace is probably the best place to buy them. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. This is going to be the new build series on the crazy kart. We still gotta do the 300 and the Lexus. That'll be sometime later this week. Peace out, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.